Oh no! The phone is slipping! It is falling in the soup! It is sinking! Mom! Dad! Help me! Uh-oh. Max, what did you do? The phone is very wet. I am so scared. Mom will be very upset. I am very hungry today. It is a beautiful sunny afternoon. Yes, Max. We are waiting in the dining room for our lunch. My tummy is making loud, hungry noises. I cannot wait to eat. Mom is in the kitchen. She is making hot noodle soup. Wow! I love hot noodle soup. It smells so good from here.
The soup is almost ready, kids. Did you wash your hands?
Yes, Mom. I washed my hands with soap and water. Me too, Mom. My hands are very clean.
Good job. Please sit quietly at the dining table. I am coming soon.
I am sitting nicely at the table. I am waiting patiently. I am sitting on my chair too, but I am very bored. We can sing a song, Max. Singing is fun while we wait. No, Emma. I do not want to sing today. I want to play a game. We do not have any toys at the dining table, Max. Wait a minute. I see something on the chair next to me. Huh? What are you picking up, Max? Look, Emma. It is Mom's phone. She left it on the chair. Uh-oh. Max, you know the rule. Mom said no phones at the table. I am just looking at it, Emma. I am not playing yet. You must put it away. The table is for eating food, not for phones. Just one short game, Emma. I am turning the phone on. Please, Max, do not be silly. Mom will be upset. It is a very fun car game. My car is blue and very fast. Vroom, vroom. My blue car is driving on the road. I am winning. Max, please listen to me. Put the phone in your pocket right now. Shh, Emma. I am concentrating. I have to jump over a big bridge. But Mom will bring the hot soup very soon. There is no space for toys. Do not worry, Emma. I am a very careful boy. Nothing will happen.
Here I come. Here is your hot noodle soup, kids.
Wow! Thank you, Mom. The soup looks very yummy and delicious. Thank you, Mom. I am holding my spoon properly. I am ready.
You are welcome. Please be very careful. The soup is extremely hot.
I am blowing on my soup gently to cool it down.
That is a good idea, Emma. Do not eat it too fast.
Max, you must move the phone. It is too close to your hot soup. No, Emma. I am watching the screen. I am driving very fast. You cannot play and eat at the same time, Max. Yes, I can. I am eating a noodle right now. Mmm, very tasty. Uh-oh. You are holding the spoon with one hand. You are holding the phone with the other hand. See? It is very easy, Emma. I can do two things at once. It is not safe, Max. Your eyes are on the game, not on your food. I am fine, Emma. I am jumping over a red car now. Max, your arm is shaking. The phone is very close to the hot bowl. I have to turn the steering wheel. The game is getting very hard. Watch out, Max. Your elbow is hitting the edge of the bowl. Oops. The phone is heavy. It is slipping from my hand. I cannot hold it. Oh no, the phone is slipping. It is falling in the soup. It is sinking. Mom, Dad, help me. Uh-oh. Max, what did you do? The phone is very wet. I am so scared. Mom will be very upset.
I am coming. What is wrong? Why are you screaming so loudly?
Your phone. It fell into my hot noodle soup. I am so sorry.
Oh my goodness. The phone is completely under the soup.
Wow. It is dripping wet, Mom. Soup is everywhere. Is it broken?
I do not know, Emma. Water and electronics do not mix well.
Are you very upset with me, Mom? I am so scared.
Take a deep breath, Max. Do not cry. I am sad, but I am not upset.
The screen is totally black now. It is not turning on at all.
Let me dry it with this clean towel. We have to wait and see if it works.
I told him to put it away, Mom. He did not listen to my warning.
Why did the phone fall into the bowl, Max? You were holding it tight.
I was looking at the blue card game, Mom. I was not looking at my soup.
You cannot focus on two things at the same time, Max. It is impossible.
Huh? What do you mean, Mom? I thought I was very clever.
You must focus on eating, or you must focus on playing. You cannot do both safely.
Mom always says, no phones or tablets at the dining table.
That is exactly right, Emma. Phones can easily fall into the food and break.
I understand now, Mom. I was very silly to ignore the rules.
And hot soup is very dangerous. You can burn yourself.
I am so sorry, Mom. I will never use the phone at the table again. Listen to us, everyone. We have important rules for you. Do not be silly like me. Rule number 1. Never use phones or tablets at the dining table. Rule number 2. Always put your toys and electronics away before you eat hot food. Rule number 3. Always focus your eyes on your food while you are eating.
Rule number 4. Never try to do 2 difficult things at the same time.
Rule number 5. If an accident happens, tell an adult immediately. Do not hide it.
Good job, Max. Now please eat your soup carefully. The phone is put away.
Yes, Mom. Both my hands are on the table now. I am only holding my spoon. That is the safe way to eat, Max. You are doing much better. This soup is still so yummy. And the table is safe.
Stay safe at home, everyone. Put your phones away when you eat. Bye-bye. See you next time.